Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's try to do the CPU throttling test on the Realme X1 Max device by using the high performance mode turned on. Yes, only high performance mode I'll try to use in this kind of video. The reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because just before yesterday I did upload a videos on two types of CPU throttling. One, without doing any kind of adjustment, just leaving only CPU throttling, and second, only using the gain space and programmer mode, and this is a third, which is the CPU throttling only using the high performance mode. So during those two test results, I did get to know the battery temperature did increase up to 40 degrees, and few of the users they did ask me, can you please do the CPU throttling only using the high performance mode? As you can see, not added in the game space but high performance mode turned on. So that is the reason I'm trying to do this kind of video demonstration. Let's see, only using the high performance mode, what effects gonna be happening with the CPU throttling, how is the graph gonna be, and how much the CPU will be throttling. That is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. So I'll try to use the same kind of scenarios which I used before. For example, 50% brightness I'll try to use, and complete airplane mode as well. So right now let me try to turn on the airplane mode. As you can see, airplane mode is turned on right now. 50% brightness, let me try to set, yes, 50% brightness, as you can see friends clearly. From the gain space I need to remove the CPU throttling as well. Let me try to remove that. As you can see friends, right now the CPU throttling is not added into any kind of gain space at all, nothing. You cannot see any kind of that line, gain space line. So only using high performance mode only I'll be running the CPU throttling test in the Realme X1 Max device. Let's see what will be the results going to be happening with this kind of test. So first let's start the test. 50% brightness is perfectly done. 1, 2, 3. So let's check the temperature. In the beginning it's of 33.6 degrees, as you can see, 33.4 degrees in the beginning, not bad, 33.8, and on the back side 33.2. So 33 degrees is the average temperature at this moment of continuously doing. As you can see, 33.8 only the temperatures. Right now I'm using only high performance mode only. So I just want to see the combination, which combination is really good in the Realme X1 Max to maintain the stable performance levels. So that is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. So right now, as you can see friends, using the high performance mode only, you can see the graph how it's varying. So we'll try to compare the end results. So don't try to get shocked by this kind of results at this beginning. Don't get, yes, so we need to wait for the end results. So meanwhile we'll try to focus on the temperatures, how is the temperatures is managing in the Realme X1 Max using high performance mode. That will be my focus. So the reason I am uploading these videos is because to see the best combination what we can get in the Realme X1 Max. Yes, so one of the best combinations. So using high performance mode we get best, or maybe using the gain space we get best, or without using anything do we get the best results. So that is what I'm going to exactly show you in this video. And I'm trying to use same settings, I forgot to show you, but I'm trying to use 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. So that settings in this application I will not change every time, so it's constant for all the test. Right now let's check the temperatures. 36.4, 37 degrees, it increased 37 degrees in the beginning itself. So within 2 minutes of time temperature increased by 4 degrees. So again I'll be back after 5 minutes of time. Let's see after 5 minutes how much the temperatures in the Realme X1 Max gonna increase in terms of the temperatures. That is what I'm going to exactly check after 5 minutes. So right now the time is about close to 7 minutes exactly. Let's check the temperatures. 41.6, as you can see, 41.2, 41.6 is the highest temperature recorded friends during this time of demonstration. 41.8 degrees. So I do remember those days before when I started to use the Realme X1 Max. So in the beginning the phone used to get heat same way, yes, in the beginning, but later with the software updates it got decreased. But again we are back with that kind of heating, I think so, because 41.8 degrees, as you can see, 41.8 degrees is the highest recorded in the Realme X1 Max. That's using the only high performance mode only. Let's see what's gonna happen if you try to use the high performance mode consistently. So 41.8. So try to remember this temperatures, because if you want you can watch other videos as well regarding the CPU throttling on this phone, which I did upload yesterday, 2 CPU throttling videos, yes, on one day. That's my first time doing. The reason is because a lot of users are actually interested to know what is the temperatures behaving and how is the graph behaving, and what is the exact situation where we can actually experience very good results. So again I'll be back maybe end of the results, so then we'll be able to discuss more details. I think let me show you these videos. I think, yes, as you can see, this is a video which I uploaded on the CPU throttling. You'll be able to find this video. using gain space and pro gamer mode. And there's another CPU throttling in the morning after software updates. You'll be able to find this video as well. 40 degrees it increased. I think using the CPU throttling, maybe the temperature is increasing higher. I mean high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max. 41.8 degrees. It did not cross 42. So 42 as well. 42 it did cross, as you can see from somewhere around here. 42 degrees. 42 in the Realme X1 Max with a 50% brightness only. 42. I think I'm not sure. I think those days are back again in the Realme X1 Max where the temperatures. So don't worry friends, I'll try to do the same kind of comparison with the OnePlus Nord 2. Same high performance mode. I'll try to use only high performance mode, and then I'll try to check. You can actually compare. Now we'll get to know after the software update what is happening between both phones. So stay tuned for this video friends. Even I am really excited for this kind of video because OnePlus Nord 2 is the one where the temperatures increases close to 43 and 42. Only this phone in terms of the Dimensity 1200. But right now we got another competition with the Realme X1 Max with the temperatures. So using high performance mode, I think it's not gonna get any kind of better results. You can see the live proof which we got here. It increases the temperatures, and let's see the final results with the CPU. How much it can be throttle. 42 degrees is the highest temperature friends. I cannot believe 42. So as I said, I do remember the beginning days of my Realme X1 Max using, when I did experience 43 degrees, 45 degrees as well in this phone in the beginning, on the day, I think first week of usage with this phone. So I can be back after a couple of minutes when the time is kind of close to 13 minutes or 14 minutes. Then we can actually discuss more about the temperatures. Right now, as you can see friends, the test has been successfully finished. As you can see, after the high performance mode turned on, you can clearly see here. And let me try to check the temperatures right now. 41.8 degrees at the end of the test as well. So temperatures are really high friends in the Realme X1 Max at this moment. Using only the high performance mode will definitely result in high temperatures than before. 42 degrees is the highest I think so far. So it was maintaining around consistently 41.8 degrees to 42 degrees, and CPU also throttled up to 67%, so which is not good when compared with the before results. We did see about 79 and 83%, and when compared with those, 67 is kind of a little bit kind of less, and the maximum peak performance reached up to 3,33,000, the peak performance, as you can see here. So I'll try to take the screenshot and then I'll try to be back. As you can see friends, this is the high performance mode which I have used, only high performance mode which I did today, 67%. And this is with only gain space and pro gamer mode, 76%, and without no adjustments, 83%. You got an idea, right? How is the high performance mode is treating the Realme X1 Max? It's so much, we did get the highest results, but still it increasing so much of the temperatures. So you will end up getting a lot of high temperatures in the Realme X1 Max if you use the high performance mode. That is what the conclusion I think of this video. And in case if you want me to use any kind of different settings, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to use those kind of settings in the Realme X1 Max, and we'll be able to get to know what is happening with this phone. But temperatures at this moment, 42 degrees, is kind of really high. So in this Realme X1 Max at this point, so that's one thing you should definitely remember before actually using the high performance mode in this Realme X1 Max device. Only one thing is that we got the maximum peak performance out of the phone. Yes, 3,33,000. So before we get only 3,27,000, 3,23,000, that's it. But this time using the high performance mode, we got the maximum peak performance, which is a 3,33,000. But that results in the another throttling issues, and you can see the graph how it is 67%. So this is a quick comparison friends in the Realme X1 Max in the different modes, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.